In this lesson, we will explore inventory control in manufacturing, a crucial process that ensures the right materials and components are available at the right time to support efficient production operations. Effective inventory control is the foundation of smooth manufacturing flow, cost efficiency, and consistent product quality. Inventory control in manufacturing focuses on managing three key types of inventory: raw materials, work in progress, YP, and finished goods. Raw materials are the basic inputs required for production. Work in progress includes items that are partially completed on the production line, and finished goods are the completed products ready for distribution or sale. Balancing these categories is essential to avoid both shortages that halt production and excess stock that ties up capital. The main goal of manufacturing inventory control is to synchronize material availability with production schedules. This involves precise planning, accurate demand forecasting, and effective coordination with suppliers and production teams. Techniques such as material requirements planning, MRP, and enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems are widely used to automate this process. These systems analyze production schedules, bill of materials, and lead times to determine what materials are needed and when they should be ordered. Another important concept is just-in-time (JIT) production, which aims to minimize inventory by delivering materials only when they are needed in the production process. While JIT reduces holding costs and waste, it requires highly reliable suppliers and flawless coordination to prevent production delays. Many manufacturers use a hybrid approach, keeping small safety stock levels while leveraging JIT principles for efficiency. Cycle counting and regular audits play a vital role in maintaining inventory accuracy. Continuous verification ensures that recorded inventory levels match the physical stock on the production floor. This accuracy helps prevent stockouts, reduces idle time, and ensures smooth operations. Lean manufacturing principles also contribute significantly to effective inventory control. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, including excess materials, overproduction, and waiting time, by optimizing production flow. Kanban systems, for example, use visual signals to trigger material replenishment only when needed, keeping inventory levels lean and production responsive. Automation and digital technologies are transforming manufacturing inventory control. Automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, barcode and RFID tracking, and IoT sensors provide real-time visibility into material movement. These technologies enhance accuracy, speed up transactions, and provide data for continuous improvement. Inventory control is also closely linked with production efficiency and quality management. When materials are available in the right quantity and condition, production runs smoothly, and product consistency improves. Conversely, poor inventory control can lead to bottlenecks, rework, and increased operational costs. Collaboration with suppliers is another key factor. Strategic supplier partnerships ensure consistent material quality, shorter lead times, and more flexible supply arrangements. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI, can further streamline replenishment and reduce the administrative burden on manufacturers. Performance metrics such as inventory turnover ratio, production cycle time, and order fulfillment rate are used to evaluate the effectiveness of manufacturing inventory control. Continuous improvement based on these metrics ensures that processes remain aligned with production goals and market demand. In summary, inventory control in manufacturing is about achieving a delicate balance, maintaining enough inventory to keep production running efficiently while minimizing excess and waste. By leveraging technology, lean principles, and supplier collaboration, manufacturers can achieve operational excellence, reduce costs, and build a more agile and competitive production system.